Possibilities are you do have old good photos that you want to carry around your smartphone, make it digitalize without any hassle. Using your smartphone, I'll teach you how to do that. Without any further ado, let's get started. Anything means forever, ever, hold it, never mind. Oh, The app that I am going to show in this video is Google's Photo Scan. This is an amazing app. You can easily scan photos through this. Let's go to the step-by-step process of doing this. First of all, do install this app and open the app. Picture up your image into the frame and tap on the shutter button. Now, align with the four dot corners with the circle in your phone, line by line. And that's it. Your photo will be next processed. That is few seconds. When you click the image, it will be perfectly ready with edge detected and glare free, which is a main reason where other scanners fall behind. Thank you for watching, guys.